We may work on a project, and most of us have probably had this happen. We have spent much time at work, at school, doing something in an organization, and we just about got it completed. We spent a long time working on it. We tried very hard, and we feel we have done a good job. Somebody, a superior, a teacher, somebody in a position of authority, a decision maker says, "That's very nice, but the plans have changed. And we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do something else instead." Most people, when this happens, would feel varying degrees of irritation, resentment, anger, frustration. I worked so hard. And now nothing will be used. We can stay attached to what we did, and we can stay angry. It's our choice. Everything comes from within us. But it's not the other person making us angry. We are making us angry. We are making ourselves frustrated, irritated. As soon as we realize this, we need to stop and think, okay, is there anything I can salvage from what I did? If not, I'll put it aside. Surely at some point I will be able to use parts of that. If nothing else, I learned from it. The next time I try to do something, maybe in this other way of doing the project, maybe I'll be able to work more efficiently, more quickly, because I learned more. Do not be attached to what we have done. Let go. Turn around and then concentrate on the new project, whatever it is we are doing, and work just as hard in that. This is the only way we improve our futures. And when we speak of our futures, we are not just talking about this lifetime, because we don't know how long our future in this lifetime will be. But we do know if we do good things, they will come back to us in the future. So we need to stop thinking of just this lifetime, but to go beyond that. We need to stop thinking of just ourselves, but to go beyond and think of others. We need to think of what we can do for them, how we can teach them, how we can give to them in everything we do. The second precept, the second principle, is called keeping the precepts. When practitioners start to practice, first, their initial formal ceremony that they go through, their announcement, their commitment to being a Buddhist, is to take the three refuges of the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. This is to return to awakening, to have proper thoughts, and to live in harmony and purity. This is the meaning of taking refuge in the three jewels of the Dharma, the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. The next step in being a Buddhist is to take the 5 precepts. No killing, no stealing, no lying, no sexual misconduct, no intoxicants. When we speak of the principle of keeping the precepts, the meaning goes much, much farther than just keeping these very important 5 precepts. The first 4 precepts are moral responsibilities. They are found in virtually every religion, every moral teaching in this world. They are not solely Buddhist. The 5th precept, no intoxicants, is not a moral precept in nature, although many religions practice no intoxicants. The main reason for taking this precept is becoming intoxicated, losing our judgment. We may end up breaking one of the other 4 precepts or doing something wrong. The other day we were talking about no killing. There are many, many degrees of no killing and many degrees of karmic result. The most serious of killing is one of the 5 offenses for Buddhists. Killing our father, killing our mother, causing a Buddha to bleed, killing a Bodhisattva or an Arhat, causing disruption in the Sangha. An important word in these are intentional, because everything arises from our intentions. The intent is very important. When we think of killing, called premeditated killing, when we think of this, when we plan to kill someone, some being, and we plan, this is a very, very serious form of killing. Because at any point, we could have pulled back and said, no, I will not do it. But we thought about it. We planned and we did it. Very heavy karmic consequence. Very serious offense. There is also killing by becoming angry and in an instant losing one's temper, picking up something, striking the other person and killing them. This is killing, but without the premeditation. There is killing of accidentally killing someone. We don't even mean to do something. We trip somebody, they fall. In a freak accident, they die. Killing, but not intentional. There is also killing other beings. We share in the killing, the karmic consequences, when we eat other beings. We share in those consequences, even if we were not directly involved in the killing. there is also killing in simply walking around, stepping on an ant that we did not even see. All degrees of the precepts